Lumajang, a hidden paradise in East Java, Indonesia, the land of the gods reside. Here lived the Hindusam Tengger people. A landscape with mountains over few million of beauty and timeless tradition. The place offers Mount Semeru sunrise and beautiful waterfall. Here stand the holy temple, Pura Mandaragiri, mosque and church, where the people live together in peace. And also still maintain tradition for time to time in centuries. Explore the beauty of Lumajang. See beautiful nature with a friendly smile and rich tradition.